Madison Police, SWAT teams, and crisis negotiators spent hours talking with a man armed with a knife in an East Side home last night. The man allegedly threatened his father with a knife, and the father was able to escape to a neighbor's home to call for help. Shortly after 4 p.m., police arrived at Bay Ride Road. The son refused to leave the home and told police he was experiencing a mental health crisis and had multiple knives hidden around the home. Officials spent hours and multiple tools to get the man to leave that home. Police consulted with mental health professionals and took that man into custody.